Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Plus, it allows you to express your creativity and personal style throughout the year. The coffee table is more than just a functional piece. It's a central element that defines the style and personality of a living space. A unique coffee table serves as a conversation starter, a statement piece, and a reflection of your personal taste. From sculptural designs to unconventional materials, the world of coffee tables offers endless possibilities for creativity and expression. In this journey, we'll delve into various styles, materials, and concepts that make coffee tables truly one of a kind. Whether you are renovating your living room or simply seeking inspiration, discovering unique coffee tables can elevate your home decor to new heights. So, let's begin by understanding what makes a coffee table stand out and how you can incorporate that uniqueness into your own space. One of the most striking trends in modern furniture design is the emergence of sculptural coffee tables. These pieces transcend traditional functionality and become works of art in their own right. Artists and designers craft these tables with bold shapes, organic forms, and innovative structures that challenge conventional design norms. Imagine a coffee table resembling a flowing sculpture, with curves and twists that evoke movement and energy. Materials like resin, metal, and glass are often used to achieve dramatic effects. These tables not only serve as functional furniture but also as focal points that draw attention and spark conversation. When placed in a minimalist or eclectic living room, sculptural coffee tables add a layer of sophistication and artistic flair. They embody creativity, pushing the boundaries of furniture design, and turning an everyday object into a piece of visual art. In an era where sustainability is more important than ever, reclaimed and eco-friendly materials are leading the way in unique coffee table designs. These pieces often incorporate salvaged wood, recycled metal, or repurposed materials that tell a story of environmental consciousness. A reclaimed wood coffee table, for example, can feature natural knots, cracks, and imperfections that highlight its history and character. Designers are combining these rustic elements with contemporary shapes to create tables that are both environmentally responsible and visually captivating. The beauty of reclaimed materials is their ability to add warmth and authenticity to modern interiors. Plus, each piece is unique, often showcasing the history of its previous life. These tables remind us that sustainability and style can go hand in hand, making them an ideal choice for eco-conscious homeowners seeking something truly distinctive. Space efficiency and versatility are key considerations in modern home decor, leading to the rise of multifunctional and transformable coffee tables. These innovative pieces are designed to serve multiple purposes, making them perfect for small apartments or dynamic living spaces. Think of a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit, a lift-top table that reveals hidden compartments, or a piece that extends into a dining table. Some tables incorporate adjustable heights, fold-away sections, or modular components that can be reconfigured for different needs. These designs combine practicality with aesthetics, offering a unique solution that adapts to your lifestyle. By choosing a transformable coffee table, You invest in a piece that not only looks great but also maximizes functionality. It's an excellent way to blend ingenuity with style, creating a space that is both clutter-free and visually interesting. Vintage tables often feature distressed finishes, ornate details, and handcrafted craftsmanship, adding a sense of history and character to any room. Industrial coffee tables, on the other hand, showcase raw materials such as metal, concrete, and reclaimed wood, often with a minimalist or utilitarian aesthetic. These tables can feature exposed bolts, rivets, and a weathered appearance that emphasizes durability and ruggedness. Combining vintage and industrial elements results in a table that feels both nostalgic and edgy. Such pieces are perfect for creating an eclectic or loft-inspired interior. They serve as conversation starters, showcasing craftsmanship and a love for history. Whether restored antiques or modern reproductions, vintage and industrial coffee tables bring a distinctive personality to your living space. For a sleek, airy, and contemporary look, glass and transparent materials are often used in unique coffee table designs. These pieces can range from minimalist glass top tables to intricate acrylic or lucite structures that play with light and visibility. The advantage of glass is its ability to reflect surroundings, making a space feel more open and spacious. Designers often combine glass with other materials such as metal, wood, or stone to create contrast and visual interest. For example, a glass tabletop with a sculptural metal base or a transparent acrylic table with embedded lighting can become a focal point in any room. These tables are perfect for small spaces where visual clutter needs to be minimized. Additionally, transparent tables can showcase decorative objects or layered rugs underneath. Nature-inspired designs bring a soothing, organic vibe to home interiors. Unique coffee tables crafted from natural elements like live edge wood slabs, stone, or even driftwood create a connection to the outdoors. These tables often feature irregular, flowing shapes that mimic natural forms, adding an element of unpredictability and raw beauty. The live edge wood, with its uneven edges and visible grain, becomes a statement piece that celebrates nature's imperfections. Designers also incorporate materials like bamboo, cork, or river stones to add texture and warmth. Organic shaped tables can be paired with minimalist decor to create a balanced, harmonious environment. These designs appeal to those who appreciate artisanal craftsmanship and wish to bring a piece of nature indoors. They are versatile, blending seamlessly with both rustic and modern interiors, and serve as functional art pieces that celebrate the beauty of natural forms. Many unique coffee tables are inspired by artistic and cultural influences, resulting in truly distinctive designs. For example, African tribal motifs, Asian-inspired ceramics, or abstract art sculptures can all serve as inspiration for a coffee table. These pieces often feature intricate carvings, vibrant colors, or unusual shapes that reflect specific cultural identities. Artists and craftsmen may use traditional techniques combined with modern materials to create visually striking and meaningful furniture. Such tables serve as conversation starters and cultural statements, adding depth and personality to your home. They also provide an opportunity to showcase global craftsmanship and celebrate diverse Artistic traditions. Whether it's a carved wooden table inspired by African art or a ceramic piece from Asia, cultural influence adds a layer of storytelling and authenticity to your interior design. For those seeking truly one-of-a-kind pieces, custom and personalized coffee tables are the ultimate solution. Working with artisans or furniture designers allows you to create a table that reflects your personality, style, and specific needs. You can choose the materials, shapes, finishes, and even engravings or inlays that make your table unique. Custom tables can incorporate family heirlooms, vintage finds, or special motifs that hold sentimental value. The process of designing a personalized table ensures that your space is truly unique and tailored to your taste. It also supports local craftsmanship and sustainable production methods. Whether you want a rustic reclaimed wood piece with intricate carvings or a sleek, modern table with a personal touch, custom furniture elevates your interior to a new level of individuality and artistic expression. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.